Dallas, that's pretty legit. That's pretty legit, dude. Can you do a burnout in that?
Yeah, watch it. Oh my god.
Hey, Livy. Looks pretty fun.
Wanna race?
No, this.
Wanna race me and Heather?
You wanna fucking race him? Why are you driving a Jeep? Why not like a Ford or something? Valet parking. Do you take me for a ride?
Why are you riding that thing around?
Alright, come here. Oh, I get to ride. Sit on my lap, okay? You can. Oh, I can. Alright, oh, take this.
Alright.
Oh, my toe. Oh, shit. I broke my toe. Ready? Watch out. Watch out, Jacob. Ready? Yeah.